than when it has been yesterday.
We're videotaping this sound. Will you turn down with it so I can? He's gonna stop. What? Tell me more. What are you saying, my Michael? Are you telling your Uncle Dylan a story in dino language? Or is that what you... No, don't be upset. Is that... No, don't be upset. Mommy's right here, don't be upset. Is that what you normally hear? Michael. Why would you be upset?